What's happening? It's your man OG Bo Beats TV. Coming to you today with another special video. What's good? What's happening YouTube? It's your man OG Bo Beats, and I'm back today with another video. I've been wanting to drop this video for a minute, so I finally made time. So this is a very interesting video. Kind of goes along with this this current NBA season that just kicked off. So we're gonna talk about some things that's going on with one of my favorite players in the league. And yeah, we're gonna get into all of that. And before we do, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, leave a comment. You know I'm gonna reply to all comments. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, boom. So check it out, check it out. So you see what I got here? I got this white Nike box. And as soon as I turn to the side, you're gonna know whose shoe it is, right? Boom. So you see it, Kyrie low, you see the Kyrie Irving symbol, you see the Nike sign. So right here, I have the Kyrie Irving low 4 that I picked up on a great steal, great deal. So we're gonna review that shoe, and I'm gonna talk about Kyrie and his situation and what's going on right now. So, Kyrie Irving, currently a member of the Brooklyn Nets, alongside Kevin Durant and James Harden and a host of other players that we all know to be good players, like Blake Griffin and LaMarcus Aldridge, so on and so forth. So they built this what you basically would say a super team in Brooklyn last year, and everybody had them to basically go first, or go to the championship. But unfortunately for those fans, my team, the Milwaukee Bucks, actually won the championship last year. So first of all, we're gonna give a shout out to Giannis and the Bucks, Chris Middleton and the whole squad. And but back to the news. So we have been dealing with COVID the last few years, and we knew this was gonna come. So the first year with COVID, we had the bubble, and then last year we had that shortened NBA season, and then this year things have picked up in the news with the vaccine and everything. So basically this year, the NBA is basically requiring every player to be vaccinated. Now, it's not necessarily the NBA, but it is some of the cities and the states that these players play in. So for Brooklyn and the state of New York, they require that you be vaccinated to be inside the buildings. So here's the problem. Kyrie Irving is not vaccinated. So we kicked off the season with him being ineligible to play due to the laws in the state. And basically the Brooklyn Nets, and I don't know if it was an agreement with Kyrie, but they just decided for him not to play until he's vaccinated, or at least that's what it seems. So it's very unfortunate because Kyrie is one of the most exciting players to watch. He, to me, is just a mix of a Allen Iverson and he just got so many different qualities to be such a small player. He's got that killer instinct. I would say a mix of an AI and a Kobe. He can do it all out there. So, if you don't know about Kyrie, let me give you a little bit of a backstory. So he was drafted in 2011, Rookie of the Year, rookie first team. He was drafted with the Cavs. LeBron came back to the Cavs. They won a championship. He's been an All-Star Game MVP, 7-time All-Star. I think he's made the All-NBA team 3 times. He's part of the 50-40-90 club. Kyrie is just one of the most dynamic young players in the league. So it's very unfortunate that he's not able to play this year. But one thing we all know about Kyrie is he's very, very outspoken, or doesn't even like to speak to the media, really, but he will say his mind. He's not holding back. He's not going to give you the politically correct answer. That's just Kyrie, and we love him for it. He's been known to give you his theories, like the flat earth theory, and just how he feels about certain things that's going on in the world. And that's just Kyrie. A lot of the sportscasters give him a hard time because he's so outspoken. He's been noted to not be a great team player, because remember, before the Nets, he was with the Celtics, and that didn't really go too great. So that's Kyrie in a nutshell. Still one of my favorite players. I hope he figure it out and he ends up to play. But right now we up in limbo, and I don't know what's going to happen. So right here, I got this shoe, right? I'm gonna tell you the quick story. So I was at the PX, I saw this shoe. I was doing my normal daily rounds at the PX, and I instantly noticed when something is new. I saw this shoe, it caught my eye, and I was like, boom, like they had just put them out. I had to get it. Really like this shoe. So let me tell you, I didn't realize though, after doing research, that Nike had re-released this shoe. So this is the Kyrie 4 Low. And I know Kyrie is like on 7, and I think even Kyrie came out talking about the Kyrie 8s that he actually didn't like them and didn't have anything to do with the design. So I don't know what's going on, but apparently Nike decided to re-release a bunch of Kyrie 4 Lows. Maybe this is the most popular model up until this point. So I'm gonna be honest, this is my first pair of Kyries. I've always wanted a pair, I just never got the right pair or found the right pair. So I saw this pair, I liked it, I grabbed it, and that's the end of the story. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out. So right here, I got the Kyrie 4 Low, gray fog, black sapphire, and then it's got some teal and some hits of orange in it, but you'll see that. Size 11 my size, retail for $110, but go ahead and check out the tag and see your boy got them for the cool 80, you know what I'm saying? So it was a must cop for me. So check this out. This is a very dope box. The box is kind of like, it gives you, you know, the vibes of the stuff that Kyrie has going on, but you open up the box and check that out, right? You see that? A lot of dope stuff going on in the box. Arts, you got the eye, you got all type of stuff. You got the rose, you got the Kyrie logo here, Kyrie there. So it's a very dope box, interesting box. All right. So I'm gonna take one of the shoes out. Yep, more stuff going on in the box. All right. I'm gonna take one of the shoes out, set that over there. Get a good look at the shoe for you. All right. Cool. All right. Boom. So check it out. Check it out. There we have the Nike Kyrie 4 Low Gray Fog. All right. Check that out. So we tighten up the strings a little bit. So cool. So I think this is a dope shoe. It caught my eye. I've always really liked the Kyries. Like I said, I just never got the right one, and I know it was certain ones that I like more than others. I definitely like the 4. So like I said, Nike re-released this shoe. I didn't realize October 18th. I actually think I got these sooner than that, you know, but maybe it was the release date. I've had these for a couple weeks now, so maybe it was October 18th. But yeah, so Nike re-released these. So this is a new release in a different colorway, so that's pretty dope. I didn't know I had a brand new shoe. I actually thought this was a shoe that just had already been out and they just finally got them. So this is a very dope shoe. Let's go ahead and review the shoe. So on the bottom of the shoe, you got a pretty flat, as far as it's not a bunch of different departments and sections on the outsole, but it is, you know, a lot of grip on the outsole. It's probably a great shoe to play basketball on. You got the Kyrie Irving logo right there, as you can see, so check that out. All right, so moving up to the midsole, right? So at the front of the midsole, you got these, maybe these shark teeth, you could call them, right? With a little bit of gray, then it goes to some sail colorway, then it more rubber piece, a sail around to the back of the shoe. To the front of the shoe, you got this this vinyl material, this hard plastic kind of material, you know, the kind that's very breathable, but it probably won't get your foot wet if it gets wet. A netting type of material, as you can see with that. Then the strings, you got some teal strings, which I actually like those. Then you got the black tongue, the same material as on top of the toe box. And then you got the Kyrie Irving logo on top of the tongue with hits of orange and white. So I think that's dope. Then you got this this shinier material right here. This is just a mesh on top of the tongue. All right. You got the black Nike swoosh on both sides of the shoe, right? But you also, it's not a full color, so it's you got the just the outline of the Nike swoosh. And then on the back of the shoe, you got one of those Kyrie logos. I'm not even sure what that is. Is that the eyeball? It's like a little basketball, and it actually says hungry and humble. Check that out right there. See if you can catch that right there on the outsides of the circle. All right, and then you got this black piece back here. And then you got more of that material around the back of the shoe. All right, inside the shoe, let's see what we got. You got some more artsy stuff, and you got the Kyrie logo in orange inside the shoe. All right, so check that out. So it's a pretty dope shoe. I like the shoe for sure. I definitely want to wear it. It's a basketball shoe, but I mean, you could probably pull this off with a few outfits and, you know, some nice athletic gear or whatnot. So, yeah, let me know what y'all think about this shoe, man. Kyrie 4 Low Gray Fog, I guess is what we're going to call these. Like I said, big fan of Kyrie. Hope you work it out. Hope he's able to play. Oh, one more thing. I also ordered this shirt off of Nike that I really want to show you guys. I don't know if I wanted to open up, but actually forget it. I'll open it up for y'all, just for y'all, since y'all my people, since y'all subscribe to the channel. All right, but I got a little Rookie of the Year t-shirt. So boom, check this out. This is my first time seeing this too. So I got an all black t-shirt, double XL Brooklyn Nets, and it's a Rookie of the Year t-shirt. I got a couple of these type of shirts. I got a Giannis and I got a LeBron also. So as you can see, check that out. That's a dope shirt right there with the blue, white, and red with the all black. Definitely gonna rock this shirt. Hey, I mean, it low-key matches with the shoes too, you know? So that's a dope little fit right there, so check that out. Right, let me see if I can get a quick thumbnail for that. All right, but yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about Kyrie in this situation, man. Comment down below. You know, I don't want to talk about vaccines or COVID or nothing on my channel because I don't want YouTube to ban my channel, but it is what it is. It's going on. It's a real topic. Hey, I'm a big fan of Kyrie. I hope he works it out. I hope he's able to play, because if not, it's going to be looking like another year for the Bucks. Hey, I'm OG Bo Beats. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and I'm out. Peace.